Ever wonder how to make money with AI-powered animation videos? Well, there are hundreds of successful channels here on YouTube that are already making a fortune from this. Look at this channel with over 100,000 subscribers. These guys are creating mind-blowing and engaging animation videos that keep their audience spellbound. You too can get in on the action, and we will show you how to make yours even better. In today's video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating remarkable and high-quality animation videos using AI tools you can easily access online. But before we get into the specifics, we need to make it expressly clear that this isn't a get-quick-rich scheme. Building a thriving YouTube channel does take time, and you need to be consistent and patient to see your channel grow and thrive. So how do you even get started making money with AI-powered animation videos? Well, you need a compelling script for your animation video. Basically, you want something that will keep your viewers spellbound. For our script, we will use Bard, a remarkable AI tool that screams bells and whistles. Using Bard, anyone can create a compelling script in a matter of minutes. And you know the best part? It's completely free, so you won't need to subscribe. Let's give you a glimpse of how Bard works and how incredibly easy it is to use. To use Bard for your script, you need to first decide on the topic for your video. Let's say you want your video to be about ancient mysteries. You can simply ask Bard to create a script around this topic. Well, you can enter as an example, imagine you're a historian and provide me with 5 topics related to ancient mysteries. Please adjust these topics to span different historical periods, building upon each other in chronological order. Once your script is ready, you can simply copy and paste it into your document. With the script now ready, you need a very compelling voiceover for your video. And since we are using AI for this instead of a natural human voice, we can use VoiceMaker, a brilliant AI voiceover tool that does a superb job. We love this particular AI tool because it's very easy to use. Plus, it provides you access to dozens of real human-sounding voices you can use. Remember that script we created earlier with Bard and copy to a document? Well, here is where it would come in handy. Simply copy your script and paste it into the VoiceMaker editor. Here, you want to select your preferred voices. To add emotions to your voiceover, you can add a blend of different punctuation marks. Feel free to choose whatever works for you. Once you have tweaked all the settings to suit what you want, click on Convert to Speech and wait a few minutes for your voiceover to be generated. With the voiceover generated, take some time to listen to the result. And if you like it, go ahead and download it. Loving the process so far? Let's go a step further and teach you how to make a moving background for your video. When you add an animated background, your audience will be captivated right from the start. That's what you want, right? For the animated background, we are going to use Create Studio. And the reason we love this tool is because it is insanely easy to use. Using this AI, feel free to choose whatever works for you. The whole process super easy. Create Studio, like other similar tools, is packed with features that make video creation a breeze. Thanks to its vast library of templates and other intuitive editing tools, you can create an animated background for your videos in a matter of seconds. And we aren't bluffing. All you need to do is select the background you want from their extensive library of resources and click Animate. It's that straightforward. In addition to letting you create stunning animated backgrounds for your videos, Create Studio also allows you to animate characters and more with just a single click. To spice up our video and add that extra layer of engagement that will keep our viewers glued to their screens, we need to create a speaking character. Our preferred tool for creating stunning animated characters is Animaker. Although you can find other brilliant tools like this one by doing a simple Google search for YouTube Animation Maker, we like this particular one because it's easy to use. Plus, it's absolutely free, which is a huge plus for anyone just getting started. Now let's cut to the chase and show you how to use Animaker to bring your characters to life. First, you want to access the tool and choose the characters you want to include in your videos. Remember, Animaker has hundreds of characters you can choose from, so take your time to find something that works for your video. Besides providing users with hundreds of characters to choose from, you also have the option to customize your characters exactly how you want. You can add text, background music, and more. We love Animaker. With your preferred characters selected, it's time to make the magic happen. Remember the voiceover we created earlier using VoiceMaker? Well, it's time to import it into Animaker. Once you do that, you should see your character spring to life. Now take some time to play the entire thing. And if it turns out just how you want it, you can go ahead and download it. By now, we are sure you're thrilled with how things are turning out. But we aren't done yet. We need to now put everything together to finalize our animated AI video. While there are hundreds of video editing apps we can use to sync our background image, animated characters, and voiceover, we will use Veed.io, and that's because of the seamless experience it offers. Veed.io is user-friendly, so you don't have to be tech-savvy. Just go to the Veed.io website and upload your files, like animated characters, background images, and voiceovers. What we love most about Veed.io is that it provides you with other remarkable tools to customize your videos. From background music to transitions to filters and effects, there's so much you can do with Veed.io. Feel free to play around with these resources to add depth to your videos. Once you're pleased with the video, you can go ahead and download it. This is the video you'll upload to your channel. Now, let's talk about your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what people see when they first stumble on your video. So you need to ensure you create an intriguing thumbnail. For this, we will use Midjourney, a powerful AI image generator that delivers one of the most stunning images you'll ever see. With Midjourney, you can create eye-catching thumbnails in seconds. All you need to do is describe how you want your thumbnail to look, and Midjourney will create captivating thumbnails that will leave your viewers glued to their screens. And the best part is that it provides you with several options based on your prompt. To write a good prompt, here are some tips. Include the name of the design or style you want, like animation. Mention the artist's name whose style you'd like to resemble, such as Picasso. It's important to include lighting effects for colorful images, such as cinematic lighting. Explain everything your mind can conjure up, from considering the lens length and shadows to the camera setup, to make your image unique. The more detailed you are, the better the images will be. What's exciting about Midjourney is its user-friendly interface. So regardless of your experience, you should be able to use it to create your thumbnails without stress. Now that you have everything put together, it's time to set up a YouTube channel. This is where you're going to upload the video you created. It takes only a few minutes to create one. With your channel created, go ahead and upload your video. Add the thumbnail you created using Midjourney and hit publish. Remember, it takes time to grow a YouTube channel. So in case you think you'll start making money overnight, we are sorry to disappoint you, because it just doesn't work that way. To make any reasonable money off creating AI animation videos, you'll need to be consistent. Ensure you keep putting out content, keep improving your content, and check your videos. Make sure your video titles, descriptions, and tags help people find your videos easily. Talk to your viewers by replying to their comments and feedback. Soon enough, one of your videos will go viral, and you can start enjoying the dividends of your hard work. As we wrap up today's video, let's reiterate that there are dozens of channels already making thousands of dollars from everything we have shown you. You too can become a part of that community by setting up a channel and creating animated AI videos. We hope this video has been meaningful for you. Thank you for watching. For more informative content like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates.